Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and welcome to the 2021 KBIS Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. I'm coming to you live from a Zoom call at Appliance Factory Fine Lines in Denver, Colorado. Typically we would be somewhere fabulous like Las Vegas for this show, but because of the pandemic, it's moved online. The industry has really adopted this online trade show by creating really interesting virtual experiences. We're going to be visiting booths, we're going to be making appointments and talking to the experts about what's new and hot for 2021. We want to know, how has the pandemic stressed the appliance industry? And what is the appliance industry doing to overcome those challenges? So we're going to learn more about that. Here we have a preview of the show and different manufacturers that we can expect to see there. Some of them jump out. Decor, of course, that's a brand that Appliance Factory Fine Lines is well known for carrying. We've got hundreds of different manufacturers here. LG, Miele, we love their compact laundry, Liebherr refrigeration, Monogram appliances. The list goes on and on. Every major manufacturer has either a virtual trade show booth or some solution to be able to learn more about their appliances for 2021. So make sure you tune into this year's 2021 Appliance Factory preview of the KBIS show. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark.